Ube and cheese are all the rage nowadays. This time around, they make their appearance in another popular Filipino dessert, palitaw. This recipe is considerably more delectable thanks to the addition of ube and cheese, and of course, all the other flavors included in the recipe. Let's get started! First, in a pan over medium heat, i-toast lang natin ang ating sesame seeds until lightly brown and fragrant. Next ay paghaluin naman natin ang ating nalutong sesame seeds and ang sugar. Then set it aside. Next ay gawin na natin ang ating dough. Paghahaluin lang natin ang glutinous rice flour, water, at ang ube flavoring. Make sure guys na naka-ready na rin ang gagamitin nyo na cheese. Ngayon ay kumuha tayo ng isang scoop ng dough at ihulma para maging bilog. Habang ginagawa natin ito, i-press natin ang gitna ng dough para mailagay ang cube ng cheese at bilugin ulit. Ganun lang din ang process na gagawin natin sa mga natitira pang dough. Pagkatapos ay magpakulo na tayo ng tubig. At sa kumukulong tubig guys, ilagay na natin ang ating ube palitaw ball mixture and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Then let's take it out and transfer in a clean plate. And when the ube palitaw ball is already dry enough, just dredge it into our sugar and sesame seed mixture. And don't forget to be generous with the coconut meat and cheese! Ready to serve na ang ating ube cheese palitaw. Can't get enough of this one seriously. I guess you can blame it on the ube and cheese. I really love it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and hit the bell button guys. Much love and cheese!